Hello guys, meron na naman tayong napanood na isang vlogger na babae, pero di ko yung kilala yung vlogger na yun. Pero ako gagawa na akong video dyan, pero napanood ko kasi yung mali yung lalaki pagkalabit niya eh. Ayan, nakita ko maling mali talaga, talagang magtisilos talaga yung asawa niya. Kaya wala tayong magagawa. Kaya kuya, minsan naman ayusin mo naman pagkakalabit mo dyan. Hingi ka lang sticker dun pa sa may, wala tayong magagawa. Alam mo naman yung asawa mo si Loasa, kaya wala, bugbog sarado ka, yan tuloy. Hingi pa doon ng sticker mo, wala alam mo gagawa dyan. Hingi pa sticker sa mga chicks, wala na. Tuloy ang bugbog sa'yo. Kaya ayusin mo kuya. Wala eh, mahirap talaga pag may selosa tayong mga asawa. Hingi ka lang sticker, ikaw pa may mali. Kaya ito na, ipa-play ko na yan, yung paano bugbugin yung asawa niya. Let's go!
Subukan, masisira ang buhay mo.
Alam mo gagawa dyan. Hingi pa sticker sa mga chicks, wala na. Tuloy ang bugbog sa'yo.
Hadi, imitasyon di. Long lady.
Your mind becomes fast as lightning. Although the future is a little bit frightening, the life that you're riding, you are a natural. Why is it so hard to see? Maybe it's just because you keep on looking at me. The journey's a lonely one, so much more than we know. But sometimes you've got to go on and be your own hero. 'Cause everybody is kung fu fighting. Your mind becomes fast as lightning. Although the future is a little bit frightening, but the life that you're riding, you're an diamond in the rough, a brilliant ball of clay. You could be a work of art if you just go all the way. Now what would it take to break